ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ, କେମିତି ଅଛ ସମସ୍ତେ? ସମସ୍ତେ ଭଲରେ ଥିବେ। ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଭଲରେ ଅଛି। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି 100ଟି ଲଙ୍ଗ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିବା। ଯେମିତିକି ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହଁ? ମୁଁ କୌଣସି ସ୍ଥାନକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ। ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଯାଉଛ? ମୁଁ ତୁମଠାରୁ କିଛି ଚାହେଁ ନାହିଁ। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି ଏମିତି ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିବା। ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର ପାଇଁ ଆସିଥିଲେ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲଟିକୁ ଲାଇକ୍, ସେୟାର, ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟିକୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା। ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ କାହିଁକି ଯାଉଛ? Why are you going with him? Why are you going with him? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠିକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହଁ? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ। I am ready to go. I am ready to go. ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ? Why do you want to go? Why do you want to go? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କିଛି ପଚାରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I want to ask you something. I want to ask you something. ତୁମେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣିଛ କି? Do you know them? Do you know them? ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I want to discuss with you. I want to discuss with you. ମୁଁ ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ଜାଣି ନାହିଁ। I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about it. ମୁଁ କିଛି କହିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ। I want to say something. I want to say something. ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବାର ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ନାହିଁ। There is no need to go there. There is no need to go there. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ଏବେ ଫୋନ୍ କରିବ କି? Will you call me now? Will you call me now? ତୁମେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣିଛ କି? Do you know them? Do you know them? ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ କି? Do you want to go there? Do you want to go there? ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରେ ନାହିଁ। I don't like to go there. I don't like to go there. ମୋତେ ତୁମଠାରୁ କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। I don't need anything from you. I don't need anything from you. ମୋତେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବାର ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ନାହିଁ। I don't need to go there. I don't need to go there. ସେ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁ ନାହିଁ। He does not want to go. He does not want to go. ଦୟାକରି ଅଧିକ ଚିନ୍ତା କର ନାହିଁ। Please don't think much. Please don't think much. ତୁମେ କିଛି କରୁଛ କି? Are you doing something? Are you doing something? ତୁମ ପାଖରେ ଟଙ୍କା ଅଛି କି? Do you have money? Do you have money? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିଛି। I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଯିବି। I will go with you. I will go with you. ମୁଁ ଇଂରାଜୀ ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲି। I was studying English. I was studying English. ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲି। I was going there. I was going there. ମୁଁ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଖେଳିବି ନାହିଁ। I will not play cricket. I will not play cricket. ତୁମେ ଏଠାକୁ ଆସିବ କି? Will you come here? Will you come here? ସେ ମୋତେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। He is helping me. He is helping me. ମୁଁ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ। I want to help others. I want to help others. ମୁଁ ନିଜ ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ଭାବୁଛି। I am thinking something about myself. I am thinking something about myself. ମୁଁ ଏବେ କିଛି କରୁଛି। I am doing something right now. I am doing something right now. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ରହିବି। I will stay with you. I will stay with you. ମୁଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ରହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I want to stay with them. I want to stay with them. ମୁଁ ଏହି କାମକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କରେ। I like this work. I like this work. ମୁଁ କିଛି ଚାହେଁ ନାହିଁ। I don't want anything. I don't want anything. ମୁଁ ଏବେ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଅଛି। I am busy now. I am busy now. ମୁଁ ଗତକାଲି ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଥିଲି। I was busy yesterday. I was busy yesterday. ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବି ଏବଂ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବି। I go there and I will help him. I go there and I will help him. ମୁଁ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ ନାହିଁ। I don't want to help others. I don't want to help others. ସେ ମୋତେ ତୁମ ବିଷୟରେ କହୁଥିଲେ। He was telling me about you. He was telling me about you. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଜାଣି ନାହିଁ। I don't know you. I don't know you. ତୁମେ କହିବାକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କି? Are you ready to speak? Are you ready to speak? ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଇଛ କି? Have you gone there? Have you gone there? ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ 2 ଥର ଯାଇଛି। I have gone there 2 times. I have gone there 2 times. ମୁଁ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଖାଇସାରିଛି। I have eaten food. I have eaten food. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ବିଷୟରେ ଭାବୁଛି। I am thinking about you. I am thinking about you. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି ଜାଣି ନାହିଁ। I don't know anything about you. I don't know anything about you. ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବା ଉଚିତ। You should go there. You should go there. ମୁଁ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣି ନାହିଁ। I don't know them. I don't know them. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଯିବା ଉଚିତ ଥିଲା। I should have gone with you. I should have gone with you. ସେ ସକାଳଠାରୁ କିଛି ଖେଲୁଛି। He has been playing something since morning. He has been playing something since morning. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ପାଇଁ କିଛି କରୁଛି। I am doing something for you. I am doing something for you. ତୁମେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଜାଣିଛ କି? Do you know them? डू यू नो देम? से सबुबेले मते साहाଯ୍य करती। ही ऑलवेज हेल्प मी। ही ऑलवेज हेल्प मी। मु सबुबेले अन्य मानंकु साहाଯ୍य करें। आई ऑलवेज हेल्प अदर्स। आई ऑलवेज हेल्प अदर्स।